We are going to Sampaloc Lake in Laguna. Nagre-ready na ako ng shoes. I'm wearing my shoes. I'm wearing my t-shirt, my hat. And the boys is in the car waiting for me. See you later. Bye. And it is what? 6 or is it the time is 6:05 in the morning. It's Sunday morning, everyone. Sunday morning, guys. We have to off the lights. We have to off the close the door. Okay, let's go. We're going to the lake. Where is the car? Over there. We're Team Blue, guys. Tim, David, and Justin are going to. Where are we going? We're going to Sampaloc Lake. Came with everybody. I never been. We're almost at the lake. We're at San Pablo City. This is the way we go. The one over there.
Because that's the way to your mom's eye doctor.
Then this side. This is where you get the Tim's birth certificate when I gave birth. City of San
Now,
Paulo.
you gotta tell me, can I park
right
here?
There, no. Go down.
I'm gonna try to.
This is where I was born?
No, you weren't born here.
You were born in San Pablo.
Yan, ikaw?
I'm gonna regret that, I can tell. There won't be any person bus down there.
Tim, do you see the lake? Here at the lake. Where are you at, Tim? We are here at the lake.
Watch the big boys. You gotta be careful. There's a lot of guys here. Come here. A lot of big kids here, okay? You gotta watch out. On your bike?
Yun ang church natin.
Kalo ko dagat.
What time is it na, Daddy? What time is it? What time is it na?
It's almost 7.
Almost 7.
Ready? Go that way. Which one? You want to go?
Remember that, Daddy?
I like that place.
It's Tim and David riding their bike. Chicken! Chicken, chicken! Chicken, chicken! Go, Tim! Go, David! Jogging at the lake. Biking and jogging. Tell everyone that you're biking by Sampaloc Lake today. Way back there because he walks so slow and we wait for Daddy here. Is there any fish? Yeah.
There's plastic on it.
No, it's a metal.
Plastic.
Nasaan na si Daddy yun? Look for a fish.
After After.
Wait lang, Daddy, wait. We made it. We made it to the church. Sa video. Baka basang sisi. Inabot ng ulan sa pagja-jogging.
A few moments later.
Breakfast in the car. Jollibee. We have hot dog that we have had.
Good.
And baby steak. Justin is not feeling well. Ay, nako. We've got drive-thru Jollibee breakfast. It is now 8:20.